Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and today I'm doing a follow-up video on a video that I posted recently on the 4th of April. It's in front of me here, and the video was our top stock to buy in the 2020 market crash. As you're probably all aware, the market, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100, and the Dow Jones 30 crashed around about 30% in just under a month, and it was a perfect opportunity to pick up some amazing stocks at a very cheap price. So I thought I'd do a video back then suggesting what our top pick stock was, and as you can see in front of us, it was a Netflix. So we chose Netflix as our top pick stock, and as you can see, at the time it was trading at, if I just zoom in here, at the time it was trading at $361, and there was kind of a roof in the market which was around that $400 price, and the all-time high for Netflix was $421, which we were trading back in July 2018. So as I mentioned before, the S&P was trading down around 30% at one point. However, it did kind of find a bottom, and it bounced up, and at the time it was trading down around 24%. And I did say one thing I liked was that the Netflix actually bounced a lot earlier and found a floor a lot early before most of the indices did, and was trading back only down around about 8% from its highs back in February, which to me was a very bullish sign. And of course, you know, with the virus that's happening, a quarter of the world's population was currently on lockdown. So one thing that most individuals are forced to do is watch TV. And I'm sure most of you in front of me have watched the TV series Tiger King. It was a great hit. I think it got around 38 million views in the first 7 days of its streaming on Netflix. So this would have also helped for Netflix's surge. And I'm happy to announce today that Netflix has absolutely surged, and within 12 days it has surged an astonishing, wait for it, I'll just bring up the chart now, Netflix has surged an astonishing 22% and is currently trading at $440. This was our price target. As you can see in the previous video, the green box represents the price target. It was from $420 to $440, but I did put a price target on at $440. And as you can see today, we are currently trading at that price. Earlier on in today's session, we did trade as high as $450. So it's astonishing. You know, we've had a huge surge here, and I just want to say a huge congratulations to everyone who followed us on this trade. You'll be laughing now. This is great money. You know, I think I posted a video on the 4th of April at a perfect timing, because since that day it has just absolutely surged. It broke through the roof at $400, and since then there's been nothing stopping it. And we come into contact with our 440 price target 2 days later. I also mentioned on my last video about Netflix is reporting its quarterly earnings, its first quarterly earnings of 2020 on the 21st of April. So that's mid next week. And quite frankly, I think they are going to beat estimates, which is going to cause this stock to rally even higher. I've now got a $475 price target for this stock, but I'm not going to do a follow-up video after this one, as we've already achieved our $440 target. But if you are watching this video and you didn't take action down at $361, then I suggest you do so now, because the 21st of April, put it in your diaries, is going to be a big date for this stock. You know, I think most investors only focus on subscriber growth, and I think due to the fact loads of people would have been pressured into subscribing to Netflix due to the lockdowns in their country. You know, you have Spain, Italy, America, you have the UK, most of Europe, in fact, is currently in lockdown. So this would have forced a lot of people who didn't already have Netflix to now download it. So I think subscriber growth would have increased significantly, and this will be great news for the stock. And I do see the stock rallying to 375 in the next couple of weeks to come, especially on the 22nd of April, after the results come out on the 21st of April. One thing I would be a bit wary of is the RSI. We're currently at 70, which is the overbought territory. But, you know, once the earnings report comes out, I think Netflix are going to post very positive guidance for the next quarter. And I think once we do recuperate some territory on the RSI, I think that we will then be able to go that next leg higher. So $375 is where I think the stock will go to. Sorry, $475 is where I think the stock will go to, and potentially even $500 before the end of the year. So great stuff here. Once again, a huge congratulations to anyone who managed to profit on this trade that we sent out. If you want to receive more signals like this, we've got plenty more of signals, especially during this pandemic where there's been a lot of volatility. But when there's volatility, there's opportunities. So if you would like to receive trading signals, then you can do so. Just visit our website, www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below this video in the description, and you can sign up for a year's membership for only a very small fee of $199, and you can then receive our trading signals. So yeah, thanks guys, and trade safe.